Hello students, welcome back to Mathvi's Java programming tutorials. In this video, I'll discuss Character Wrapper class. The contents are Introduction, Important Static Methods of Character Wrapper class, Practice Exercise. In Java, there are 8 primitive types. They are not declared as classes for performance reasons. And each primitive type is handled by a wrapper class. And these wrapper classes are defined in java.lang package. The wrapper classes are byte short, integer, long, float, double, character, and boolean. And in Java, all the classes start with a capital letter. The methods in these 8 wrapper classes provide extra functionality to the primitive types, all 8 primitive types. Now, character wrapper class wraps around primitive type char, and it has many static methods to handle a character. Static methods, let's see around 8 static methods. The very first one is isDigit, which accepts a char data type variable. Is starting with is, question mark, is it a digit, which returns true or false. But isDigit method is a static method, so we use class name along with the method name. So Character.isDigit, and we send char data type variable. It is equivalent to if ch greater than equals to 0 and ch less than equal to 9, or ch greater than equals to 48, that is Unicode value, to 57. Instead of that, we can write if Character.isDigit ch. Ch is a variable of char data type. The second one is isLetter. isLetter returns boolean, which is a static method. So we use Character.isLetter and we send the character. So it is equivalent to if ch greater than equals to lowercase a and ch less than equal to z, or ch greater than equals to capital A and ch less than equal to capital Z. Instead of the entire expression, we can write if Character.isLetter ch, which returns either true or false for all the capital and lowercase letters. The third one is isLetterOrDigit. The expression would be if ch greater than equals to 0 and ch less than 9 less than equal to 9, or ch between a to z lowercase, or ch between a to z uppercase. The entire expression can be replaced with if Character.isLetterOrDigit ch. So it becomes easier. Then the next one is lowercase. Checks whether the past character is in lowercase or not, true or false. Similarly, is uppercase. And then isSpaceChar. That means we are checking for space. That is equivalent to 32. And then toLowerCase. What does it do? Convert into lowercase and returns the character. If the past character is in uppercase, it converts into lowercase and returns. Otherwise, it returns as it is. Similarly, toUpperCase. If the past character, if the argument is in lowercase, it converts to uppercase. Let's see 2 Java programs over here. Now let us see password check program. The problem statement is write a program to read a string and check valid password or not. Valid password has minimum one letter, one digit, one special character, and no space. So we write this password check program using static boolean methods of character class. For that, import java.util.scanner, then class main scanner sc, and then we are giving some messages. After that, reading password. First message is password validity check program. Enter at least one character, one digit, one special character, and no space. Valid password, please enter. PWD is the variable string type. SC dot next line reads till end of the line. So we are accepting a string. Let's assume user has given A1 at the rate. In that case, one letter is there, one digit is there, one space is there. So invalid. So extract A count letters. One, and then whenever there is a space, we need to stop and say invalid password. Similarly, the second example, 1 at the rate. There is no letter, capital or lowercase letter, so it is invalid. Whereas here, AA11 at the rate. So at least one letter is there and at least one digit is there. There are two digits, two letters, and one special character at the rate is there. So valid. So this is the idea of writing the program. For that, we have a string. Till the end of the string, we need to check each character. That means we need length. So we take int len is equal to pwd dot length. Pwd dot length. So it will find the length, total how many characters are there. Apart from that, we need to declare three variables, int type variables. A equals to 0 for counting characters and S equals to 0 for counting special characters and D equals to 0 for counting the digits. And if there is any space to find out that, let's take a boolean valid is equal to true. Initially, we are thinking the password is valid. But if there is any space, then we'll make this valid false. Okay. After that, we take a for loop. Till the length, extract characters. If space, not valid. Otherwise, three counts. What are the counts? Letter count, character count, digit count, and special character count. For all three, we need to write the actual program here. So for int I equals to 0, I less than len, I plus plus. We've started a loop till the length of the password. And after that, we are extracting characters using caret method. Char ch is equal to pw dot char at I. Caret I. I is 0 initially. So if this is the input, A will be extracted. Then I plus plus 1 will be extracted. I plus plus space will be extracted, and so on and so forth. After extracting, we need 4 checks. What are the checks? First one is no space. We don't want to have a space. So first check we are doing is if character dot is space char. If it is a space character, this we are using character wrapper class methods. if at all ch is a space, or we can write ch double equals to space also. This is easier over here for this particular thing. In case if it is a space character, I'm telling valid is equal to false, and then break the loop. Break the loop. This is the for loop over here ending. Immediately after that, I'm just writing if valid is equal to false. In that case, I'm saying system.out.println space not allowed. This is the message we want to give. Okay. Break comes out of the loop. Over here we are closing if, and this is closing of for loop. Is that clear till here? So first check no space is taken care. Now we need to count number of characters, number of digits, number of special characters. For that we continue inside the for loop, else if we copy the same thing and change it a bit, Control C, else if Character.isLetter, else if Character.isLetter, that means it is taking care of capitals, lowercase and everything. In that case, we have taken a variable a for characters, a++. Else if we count digits, is digit. Else if Character.isDigit ch, then d++. So we have taken care of a variable, d variable. Now special character. Anything other than capital, lowercase letters, capital letters and digits, everything else is a special character. So else s++. This is the full program inside the for loop. What did we do? Till the length, extracted first character, checking all 4 of them. Here, if it is a space, break. Otherwise, check whether it is a letter or not. If it is a letter, a++. If it is a digit, d++. If it is else if, only one of them would be true. Outside the for loop, already we have taken care of if valid is equal to false, then space not allowed. Here I am writing another case, else if a double equals to 0, or that means character count, that is letter count is equal to 0, or s double equals to 0, or d double equals to 0. In these 3 cases, we need proper counts. That means at least 1 should be there, not a 0. So we will say that at least, here we copy this, at least 1 character, 1 digit and no space. This message we give. So this is one more check. First of all, valid is false. That means space is there. So space not allowed message. Otherwise, any one of the counts is 0. In that case, we give a proper message. Else, that means this is not true. First part, second part is not true. Then we write system.out.println valid. Valid password. So this is about the program. Here, for loop. So this is about the program. First, we have displayed messages, then read a password. After that, finding the length of the password, then declared variables to count and declared a variable to find out whether it is a space or not. Inside the for loop, extracted characters and 4 checks, space, then false and break. Immediately after breaking, if valid is equal to false, then space not allowed. And then isLetter, A++, isDigit, D++, else special count plus plus. Let's execute the program and see. Password validity check program. Enter at least one character, one digit, one special character and no space. Enter a valid password. Okay. But we are giving a space, let's suppose, and at the rate checking our program for all the problems. Space not allowed. Fine. Let's execute second time. We are giving AA11 and no special character. In that case, at least one character, one digit, one special character, no space required. Okay, fine. Let's give a proper password, whether it is giving valid password message or not. Some AA11 at the rate. No space is there. All the other requirements are there. So, valid password. This is about password check, that too using static methods of character wrapper class. Now let us see the second program, togglecase, which uses static methods of character wrapper class. Here, the problem statement is read a string from user and convert uppercase letters to lowercase and vice versa. Lesson 70, I have explained plus 32 minus 32 concept. Here we use the wrapper class static method. Now enter a string sc.nextLine. The entered string, if it is hello, H is capital, all other characters are in lowercase, then the output would be HELLO in capital. H is in lowercase. Hi, H is in lowercase in the output, but I is capital. Hello, space hi. Space is not changed, but only capital to lowercase, lowercase to capital. Here, lot of modification is there. So, we take an array of characters, convert the string into character array. So we need to deal with each and every character of the string. So we have taken the length and we are modifying the string, that is requires so much of modification. So converting into character array. For that, we take char ch square brackets is equal to str.toCharArray. This concept I have explained in lesson 66. Both lesson 70 and 66 are given in the description box. So converted into character array. Now whatever is entered is an array now. HELLO we can access differently. Let's take a for loop for int I equals to 0. I equals to 0, I less than len, I plus plus. Here we have ch of I already. It's an array. So we use two if conditions. If character dot is uppercase ch. So in case hello is the input, then h is in uppercase already. In that case, what we do is ch of I must contain character to lowercase. Ch of I. Either this is okay or to lowercase ch of I. If character dot is uppercase ch of I, is it uppercase? Then convert into lowercase. Ch of I should be converted into lowercase and return to the same ch of I. Either this way we can write, or else if character dot is lowercase ch of I, then we can have ch of I is equal to, convert into character, ch of I minus 32. 97 minus 32 would be 65. This should be in brackets. So either this way we can use, or we can say ch2 lowercase you convert. One of the functions we can use. So ch of I minus 32, whatever the character minus 32 makes it uppercase. This is implicit conversion, converts into integer immediately, but ch is a character variable, so we do typecasting, save it in ch of I. So this is how the entire word is being changed. After that, convert the array back to string. How do we do? By creating an object. So some string s is equal to new string. Then we pass the array. What is the array? ch. Entire array is converted to string. Then we can print system.out.println s is printed. So this is about the program. What did we do? First of all, convert it into character array, then for loop, and then checking each character, ith character, I is 0 first time, so first character, then second character, and so on and so forth. If at all in uppercase, convert into lowercase. If at all in lowercase, convert into uppercase. Any other characters are not touched. This is about the program. Let's execute the program and see. Enter a string. Let's suppose A, B, C, D, E space, hi, and at the rate. So here it is showing A capital, B is lowercase, C capital, D lowercase, E uppercase here, and hi, H lowercase I, and at the rate sign. So no spaces are not, special characters are not changed. Only capitals to lowercase to uppercase. This is about character wrapper class. Practice exercise. This practice exercise is given in the description box. Refer Chapter 5 of Essentials of Computer Applications for further understanding and practice exercises. The next video is about input using buffered reader class. Thank you.